going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are back on the Honda Grom. We are in Oklahoma at Hallett Motorsports something or other, and got another Grom challenge for you. I'm currently spinning some laps. It is if you saw my last video at Crescent in August, this couldn't be any more different. I'm pretty sure it is, I don't know, like 65 degrees, whereas at 7 o'clock in the morning at Crescent last round, I'm pretty sure it was like 95. So it's cold. It's weird. So with it being cold outside, the track is freezing, and man, you really can't push. This is a track where on the Grom you can pretty much just full pin everywhere, not touch the brakes at all. But it is dang slippy. Yeah, but we've got practice this morning. The race will be a little bit later this afternoon, and like normal, I'm looking for a fifth gear that doesn't exist on the Grom. That's so dumb. But I'm gonna race the Grom, and then a little bit later after that, I'll be on the 300. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video, 2 videos, 3 videos, who knows, but this one's gonna be dedicated to the Grom, and hopefully it's good. It's not like last round where there's like $1,000 on the line, but the winner of that $1,000 race, Josiah is here again. This is his home track, so if he was fast in Crescent, he's just gonna be stupid fast here, which sucks for me, because it means yet again another, I don't know, second place max result. Nobody else is here. Craig, all the other really fast guys, they're not driving up here, but Josiah is, and man, he's too fast for his own good when it comes to this place. I'm just riding around by myself, so I'm gonna pit and wait. Maybe I'll find Josiah and try and tow him around, but I told him yesterday that if he wants some good footage, just sandbag it the entire time, and then he can leave me on the last lap. But he wasn't entertained by that. The kid has got a fighting spirit like you wouldn't believe. I mean, I'll be lucky if he doesn't friggin' lap me. But let's wait for him or for somebody to get out here. There he is. Grabbed him up the hill. Who's gonna brake latest? I got him. Oh no. Dang it. Not playing around anymore. He was toying with my emotions, I know it. a jerk. I did tell him, I was like, if you go slow, I'll get some cool footage of you. He's like, yeah, I'm just gonna win. Can we talk about that little girl who is legitimately 5, 6, 7 seconds ahead of all of us right now? Pretty cool. Stop looking backwards. Oh, he's slowing down on purpose. What a jerk. What a jerk. Let me pass him for sure. Good job, bud. That was awesome. So you're going like 30%?
About maybe
15? Such a jerk.